Hello and welcome. Today my name is Victory and I'm excited today to guide you on how to initialize and update state using the useState hook. So I believe you're also very excited to learn about this. Now let's dive in as we begin coding. Alright, so to begin with, I've created a simple React application which we'll have here. So I'm going to go to my VS Code right now and I'll take all this so that we can start as a blank slate. Alright, so I'll clear this out. Okay, so we have this. So I'm going to create a simple, I'm going to create another component here. I'm going to call it my components. Okay, .jsx. Okay, my components, and hit enter. So the way we create functional component is we use the function keyword and the name of our component, which in my case is going to be my components. Okay. Alright, so next now I've initialized our state using the useState hook. So we have this count. In this application, I'm going to use count to create a simple counter application. So we're going to use set count to update the state here, which we have as initializing with 0. Next, whenever we want to use the useState, we will have to import it, okay, like this from React. Alright, so for the UI, right here in return, I'm going to use a button that whenever we click the button, we're going to update this on our browser. Alright, so we have this button right here with an onClick method. So whenever we click on this button, we're going to set the count and update the count here to +1, which is going to keep incrementing it every time we do that. And once we do that, we can simply export default and the name of our component. So save this. We can proceed now to app and import it. So say import my component. Okay, so that has automatically done it for me. I can do that here. So save this. Let's refresh. Alright, so we have this now. When I click on this, it increments it every time. Alright, thank you very much. If you follow through that guide, I believe you've learned something new today, and I will see you